Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to pick a winner. Let me say this again. I'm freaking out of here, all right? Once I click pick a winner and the name show up, I'm just going to poof and be gone. You're going to be like, what the hell happened to JT? He gone. He got other stuff to do, okay? He will see y'all next Sunday. Guys, I'm out of here. I'm not YouTubing next week, okay? My channel will be on autopilot. I forgot. Did I say that? My channel will be on autopilot, so there will be no interaction. Every now and then, if I'm able to sneak and grab my phone and look at some comments, that's only interactive there would be. But the channel will be on autopilot. I sat down and edited about 20-30 videos the last 2 nights. Okay, so they are all scheduled to go out each different day. All right, I'm not YouTubing next week. Okay, that I'm going to take a break from working period. So with that being known and with that being said, I got all the outro stuff out the way. I'm about to pick a winner and then I'm out of here. So to the winner, whoever it may be, I have no idea who it's going to be. It don't work like that. They don't tell me who the hell going to win, right? I don't know. I have no freaking idea, right? So with that being known and said, I'm just going to pick a winner and then I'm out of here. Where is that? Right here. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, and the winner is... Oh, you freaking kidding me? Hell no! We waited all damn day for this